morning. It's day 188 and it's windy, but there's clear skies. Glad the wind has died down. To enter this burn area. Hi.
Hi.
We are here. We did it. This is the Midway marker. Yeah, we're sitting here. Enjoyed a little bit of the sun and the food, and we're really happy to be here. I'm really happy. She just stayed here.
I'm just kind of happy because it's not my midpoint, so
But it's
whatever.
It's really important for me, so we're staying here. Thank you. And yeah, we have a nice walk, but sadly we are in a small burn area. So yeah, but it's part of the game, right? Okay. I don't have to stand up to recognize you, how you get up.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
This is really how I've been getting up lately because it's just the easiest way to get up. I think I'm trying not to get my pants dirty. I did it!
Are you ready?
Alright, Bobcat's getting up. That was amazing.
Different styles.
We just started our last 2-mile stretch to Highway 36. Not only is it our last 2-mile stretch, it's also Bobcat's last 2 miles on the PCT!
I'm crying.
Moving through a couple of different private lands. We've reached, I think it's called Soldier Meadow. And the icing on Bobcat's PCT journey cake.
Yeah.
One more water crossing in the last mile here. And reports have shown that it's a muddy, squishy bottom. So we're gonna do it barefoot.
She is the brave one. Do it, Dory. You can do it. It's mud. It have to be squishy.
It feels good.
Perfect.
Bobcat's last gate. We're back at Highway 36.
I connected my steps.
And Bobcat connected her steps
2023 miles.
in the year 2023. Woo! I'm so proud of you! Oh, it's so good. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Yeah.
I'm really amazing. Could we hike further?
Yeah, you don't want to.
I know, but at this moment, yeah. I'm on the day 4 months ago here on this spot.
And now we're back for you to end your journey to PCT. Oh,
I'm sad to leave you alone.
Well, we all started the journey alone.
Yeah.
I'm gonna finish it alone. That's okay.
Yeah, but
I mean, you're gonna support me in the next
yeah.
section. Yay! She's a rock star.
Yeah.
Strong as a donkey.
At least at one. Maybe 2.
We're staying at Trail Angels, Sean and Michelle's place tonight, and they've been super hospitable, opened up their home to us, And Bobcat actually stayed here with them last time when she flipped up to Chester. So they've been really sweet, and I'm really glad to have met them. So thank you guys so much for having us over. And here's a Bobcat story for you.
Okay. One of my name is Bulldozer.
Wait, should we start with your whole name?
Okay, my whole name is Queen Bobcat, the Source Nearby, Bulldozer, Chuchumba, Navigator, Donkey. I forgot one.
I think that was all of them.
Was this all of them?
There might be one missing.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay. Dory liked the name Bulldozer very much. Bulldozer was, I think, shortly behind Ashland. We walked through the woods, and it was a burn area. So we stopped for a break.
We stopped for camp.
It was just
Not for a break.
It was just a break, but we stopped. And you was very worried about the burn trees that somebody fall down. And I told you.
That's how I know. That's how I know that it was camp, because I don't look for burned trees on breaks. I only look for burned trees before we go to sleep. So.
But it was not to sleep. It was daylight. The sun was really bright. This was not camp.
We get to camp.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So we stopped there, and I told you, don't be worried. There will be not a track to crush in one of the trees, and otherwise they cannot fall down.
I'm like, what are you talking about? Why is the truck gonna fly here? Why is there a flying truck in the middle of the forest? What are you talking about?
And I explained you that there will be not a flying truck. That's of course.
Okay.
But I don't know how to say bulldozer in English. So,
and I thought that was the funniest thing ever. How do you say bulldozer in English? It's bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
how should I know that you have the same name?
So now I wanted to call her Bulldozer. Yeah, like that should be your trail name, but she already had trail names, so we just added it on.
Bobcat, Bulldozer. Chuchuma.
Queen Bobcat, nearby, the source, Chuchumba, Bulldozer, Navigator, Donkey.
Yeah.
I think that's what you said at the beginning.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's a lot to write down. Thanks for that
That's
story.
the
That's
story.
awesome. Okay, say goodnight to Bulldozer.